Mas okay yung glove, no? Mas okay nga.
Tsaka, protected din. Kahit na...
May protection pa siya, pero hindi full. Pero may protection pa rin.
Pero may protection pag nahahatak. Dun.
Pero hindi mo sinasacrifice yung mobility.
Oo, hindi.
Hindi mo sinasacrifice.
The slight yung feeling.
Saka yung reach mo, hindi mo sinasacrifice.
Nice! Ganda nun.
Group na yung kamay.
Anong combo yun?
Oo.
3 hit.
Run away. Run away.
Gamit yung pagpagigito.
He's in his 50s, man. Make him chase you. Oh, veteran move. Veteran move. Tawanan mo.
Yan ang engganyo. Oh.
Sabay.
1 minute.
It's okay, you got him in the head, he got you in the hand. Yours is higher. 5 points normally, ulo, hands.
Oh!
Bumawi din. Kailangan nyo bumawi pag nauna sila sa'yo, ha? Kasi yung ibang tournament, pag hindi kayo nakabawi, mas mataas ang points, ha? Go for the head, but hit the legs. Ang ibang tournaments, ha?
Ang bully.
Pag nakabawi kayo, 1 point lang ang hit.
30 seconds.
Oh! Huwag mo lakasan, hindi lang. Pitik-pitik lang. Lakasan mo lang, coach. Hindi naman ako yan, eh. Yo!
Wow!
Bawi.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
That was the right move.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.